What's up YouTube? Welcome back to Jimmy's Garage. So today's video, I just want to give you guys a quick update on what's going on here in the new garage and how the whole unpacking process is going. For those of you that have been following the channel, I just moved my entire family from Connecticut up to central Maine. And as some of you may know, the unpacking process can take a long time and be real tedious. Let me take you through a quick walk through the garage so you guys can see what this thing looks like. It's awesome. All right, so this is the view walking in the side door of the garage. So, as I showed you before, I got the wife's Jeep right here. You walk in, I got a nice workbench here and a pegboard. That bench is gonna be moved on the other side of the garage, but as you can see, a lot of junk around here. Got some of my auto care stuff up there, some of my auto care stuff on these shelves over here, and flipping around, there's the big, huge garage door where my wife gets to park her beautiful Jeep over here, and of course, when you move, you got a crap ton of cardboard boxes and stuff you didn't know you had. All right, back to the workbench area. We're gonna turn left. Really cool feature. I got this staircase that hangs here by 2 chains. That lowers down, and then I got a whole attic space to store all my stuff. And here's where the tricky process is. Getting all my tools organized and put away. I got a couple of my air compressors over here, not sure where I'm gonna set those up. I got my 2 toolboxes and my rolling work box over here, and then just totes and boxes of stuff. And of course I have my trusty Suburban that now finally has its own parking space, which I'm so thankful for, but as you can see, these main roads make it extra dirty. And this is where the bulk of the work needs to be done. I just have boxes of all my stuff that I unpacked and was putting away during the move. It's kind of randomly thrown everywhere. So I do have some good storage up here for things. Not sure if any of that stuff's gonna be the permanent place for that. Previous owners left a bunch of stuff behind there, and up top I gotta take down. But I got plenty of space in here to organize, and I'm very excited to do a follow-up video once everything gets put away. Yeah, so that's basically it. Doing a lot of unpacking, a lot of organizing. It's really tough. I do have 2 little kids, so basically when they both go to sleep, that's when I get to play in the garage. It's really cold up here, as you can see. I got my little propane heater running right now to try to keep me warm. It's about 12 degrees up here in Maine tonight, so it's pretty chilly. Oh, and JB from Garage Gear, I know you're wondering what kind of snowblower I have. There you go. It's a 26-inch 8 horsepower yard machines with a Tecumseh Snow King motor, which I did properly winterize, and it literally started on the second pull. But I'm really excited to have all this space to work with now. I'm gonna have so much more room for activities, so much more room for cool projects to crank out for you guys. So stick with me. As soon as I get things organized and put away, I'm gonna start cranking some stuff out, and it's gonna be awesome. Keep it real. Hope you guys had a happy new year, Merry Christmas, all that good stuff. We'll see you guys soon.